Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Hobbyist Artists. Today, we're going to bring a magical creature to life, a golden baby dragon. Dragons are some of the most popular creatures in fantasy art, and this little one is going to be extra special with shiny golden scales, tiny wings, and an adorable face. If you've ever wanted to learn how to draw a baby dragon step by step, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner artist or someone looking to add more fantasy creatures to your sketchbook, this tutorial is designed just for you. We'll start by sketching simple shapes that will guide the dragon's body. Think of circles and ovals to block out the head, belly, and wings. Don't worry about details yet. We're just building a foundation. Next, we'll move on to refining the outline.
Here, you'll see how easy it is to shape the dragon's head with big,
Curious eyes and a cute smile that gives it personality. We'll also add small but mighty wings, a long curling tail, and little claws that make it look both fierce and adorable.
After the sketch is ready,
We'll add details like shimmering scales and highlights that make this dragon glow like real gold. I'll show you shading techniques to give the dragon depth and texture, making it pop right off the page. For the golden effect, you can use colored pencils, markers, or digital brushes if you're working on a tablet. Remember, your dragon doesn't need to look exactly like mine. Every dragon drawing is unique. That's what makes art magical. So, feel free to add your own creative touch.
Maybe change the horns.
Or add sparkles around it for an extra fantasy vibe. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own golden baby dragon drawing that you can proudly show off. If you enjoy drawing fantasy creatures and want more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.
and of course,
Share your dragon drawings with me in the comments. I'd love to see them. Let's get started and make some dragon magic together!